Today, I'm going to teach you the verb yemek and how many different ways we use it in Turkish language. First, I will show you how it is conjugated, and then I will cover where and how it appears in daily language. Well, I guess many of you already know what it means, right? Yemek is an infinitive verb and it means to eat. Yemek. Let's take a look at briefly how we conjugate this verb in the present continuous tense. To conjugate it, we add the tense suffix to the verb stem and then we attach the person suffix. So the verb stem is ye. Then we attach the tense suffix yor and then we attach the person suffix for the first singular person, and what we obtain is yiyorum, yiyorum. For this specific verb, in the present tense conjugation, e in the verb stem turns to i. So, instead of yiyorum, we say yiyorum, yiyorum. Now, let's conjugate it for all personal pronouns. Ben yiyorum. Sen yiyorsun. O yiyor. Biz yiyoruz. Siz yiyorsunuz. Onlar yiyorlar. Or onlar yiyor. Yemek also means food or meal as a noun. When we say yemek yiyorum, yemek yiyorum, this literally means I'm eating food. So basically, whenever you eat something, you can use this verb. Börek yiyorum, börek yiyorum, baklava yiyorum, baklava yiyorum. Just as a side note, in Turkish, we do not eat soup, we drink it. So we don't say çorba yiyorum, çorba yiyorum. Instead, we say çorba içiyorum, çorba içiyorum. But of course, in certain situations, you may need to use the verb yemek, such as when someone asks you, yemekte ne yedin? Yemekte ne yedin? Then you can say çorba, pilav, nohut, and so on. Now it is time to take a look in what other ways we use the verb yemek. There are many other ways how we use it in Turkish, and I will only give examples to those that we use the most, and specifically to those in certain expressions. First of all, we use it to mean to know or to bite. Üzüntüden tırnaklarını yiyor. Üzüntüden tırnaklarını yiyor. Sivrisinekler çocuğun kollarını yedi. Sivrisinekler çocuğun kollarını yedi. Additionally, in daily conversations, you may hear the following expressions. Laf yemek, fırça yemek, azar yemek, tokat yemek, dayak yemek, ayvayı yemek. Let's take a look at them one by one. Laf yemek. This literally means to eat words. Laf yemek. We use this expression when someone receives verbal criticism or reprimand. It means to be on the receiving end of someone's critical remarks. So basically, it can be translated as to be scolded, to be criticized, to receive a tongue lashing. Öğretmeninden laf yedi. Öğretmeninden laf yedi. You may also hear such sentences more naturally this way. Öğretmeninden ne laf yedi be? Öğretmeninden ne laf yedi be? Now, next one. Fırça yemek. Fırça yemek. This one literally means to eat a brush. Fırça yemek. We use this expression when someone is severely reprimanded or scolded. This expression implies a more severe or harsh criticism. Therefore, it can be translated as to get a dressing down, to get a scolding, to get a telling off, to be chewed out. Here's an example. Patrondan fırça yedim. Patrondan fırça yedim. Next one. Azar yemek. Azar yemek. This one literally means to eat a reprimand. Azar yemek. This is also a general expression for receiving scolding and reprimand in an angry manner. But this is in general less severe than fırça yemek. Babasından azar yedi. Babasından azar yedi. All of these three expressions, laf yemek, fırça yemek, azar yemek, are commonly used in everyday Turkish to describe the situations where someone is being criticized or reprimanded. And now to the next one. Tokat yemek. Tokat yemek. This literally means to eat a slap. And it means to get slapped. This expression can be used literally, to be hit in the face, or figuratively, to face a setback or harsh reality. Tartışmada küstahça konuşunca tokat yedi. Tartışmada küstahça konuşunca tokat yedi. The next one. Dayak yemek. Dayak yemek. This one literally means to eat a beating. Dayak yemek. We use this expression when someone is physically hit or beaten. So it can be translated as to get a beating, to take a beating, to get beaten up. Kavgayı ayırmaya çalışırken çok feci dayak yedi. Kavgayı ayırmaya çalışırken çok feci dayak yedi. Now, another one. Kafayı yemek. Kafayı yemek. This one literally means to eat one's head. We use this expression when we go crazy or become extremely angry or frustrated in stressful, surprising, or annoying situations. Therefore, it can be translated as to go nuts, to go crazy, to lose one's mind. Trafikte saatlerce bekleyince neredeyse kafayı yiyecektim. Trafikte saatlerce bekleyince neredeyse kafayı yiyecektim. İşlerin yoğunluğundan dolayı kafayı yemek üzereyim. İşlerin yoğunluğundan dolayı kafayı yemek üzereyim. Now to the next one. Ayvayı yemek. Ayvayı yemek. This one literally means to eat the queens. Ayvayı yemek. And we use it to mean to get into a difficult or problematic situation, often implying that one is in serious trouble. Therefore, it can be translated as to be in trouble, to be in a difficult situation, to be in the soup, to be in hot water, or a little stronger, to be screwed. Projeyi zamanında yetiştiremezsek ayvayı yeriz. Projeyi zamanında yetiştiremezsek ayvayı yeriz. Çok geç kaldın. Şimdi ayvayı yedin işte. Çok geç kaldın. Şimdi ayvayı yedin işte. And the last one for today means you do not have the guts to do something. It is used when someone lacks the courage or nerve to do something. This particular one can be vulgar and offensive depending on the case. And I particularly would not recommend you to use this. But you may hear this, that's why I cover it. So you may hear this while close friends are casually teasing each other to do something, or while people are actually teasing each other to start a fight. And you may also hear some people are talking about other people using this expression. The expression is götün yemez. Götün yemez literally means your ass wouldn't eat. So here's an example. Ahmet yine kızla konuşamamış değil mi? Yememiş götü. Ahmet yine kızla konuşamamış değil mi? Yememiş götü. Well guys, here are some more expressions with the verb yemek. Take a look at them and learn what they mean. I will be waiting for your sentences in the comments with these expressions. Hak yemek, içini yemek, kendini yemek, ceza yemek, rüşvet yemek, para yemek. And if you cannot find the meanings of those, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, let me know. See you in the next videos.